Hey guys, today's video will be showing you how to repair an exhaust leak. About two products that you can buy at your local Walmart. Literally just bought them 5 minutes ago. You can get these Shopcraft hose clamps to hold the seal. And you can buy some of this Permatex high heat gasket maker. This will hold and stop the seal. It's also high heat because this exhaust pipe here will run through a lot of heat. So to open the paper, you want to cut a tip off of there because it's actually closed until you cut the tip. Once you cut the tip, just open up your heat paste. And then you're going to want to make sure there's a hole through the paste. Just poke a hole through it with a knife or whatever you have to use. And once you poke the hole, screw the cap onto the paste and then just apply where the leak is. The leak for me is right here, and it's very obvious coming down the road. I also sanded the place down for where the leak was. See, there was the leak right there. It caused a lot of rust right there, so I sanded that down. I'm going to be applying some heat paste to there, heat paint that you can get at your Walmart. But just take the paste and put enough on there until it gives a visible seal. I'm going to get both sides. Just make sure you really get a good amount on there. Okay. And then once you have enough on there, looks like it's gonna start falling. If you put any more, you can take one of these and apply the paste onto the outer part that you're going to be putting around the exhaust pipe. It's a very simple installation. Just make sure you get enough on here. Here, I'm gonna make it easier. But like I said, just get a lot on there. Okay, once you got a lot on the clamp, you can apply the clamp onto your exhaust pipe. This is the simplest way to do the pipe. Now once you have it on there, you can hold the clamp in place until the paste has fully dried, or just let it go into a natural state. Now see, this clamp wasn't big enough. You can buy one that fits the size. This one was not big enough, but it'll do. But once you get all the paste on there, your exhaust will be good to go and you will no longer have the leak. So you can do this for many other places as well. I will probably do it over on this side because this side could start leaking as well. But that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it very helpful. This is also corrosive resistant, but obviously I didn't get it on the outside here, so I'm going to have to paint that over tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. It really helps me. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Take care. Have a good night.